Um, and fellow people of Ambazonia, good evening. My name is Mola Wunja. I live in the United Kingdom. I'm also in the struggle, and as many people know me, I don't want much to say about myself, but it's rather very unfortunate that I've decided to come this evening to point out certain aspects which are very necessary, that is very disturbing in this struggle. Fellow Ambazonians, we know a lot has been going on between the various leaders and the groups. However, there are certain issues I have to address this evening. I don't want to behave as someone who don't want to talk or is afraid to tell people the truth of what is going on in this struggle. Thank you. My brothers, my sisters, we mommy them, we papa them, we picking them. All my way a day for Southern Cameroon. Now me Mola Wunja don't come this evening for talks on talk where it disturb everybody. I want to thank everybody where they for ground zero. People where they there for bush. People where they there Nigeria as refugees. And the one that they out of Nigeria for Ghana. Where they need to ever mention una as refugees. We boys them where they fight for ground zero. I want to send una warm greeting. This come from me, Mola Wunja. But I want everybody may put ear in listening very, very well. All man for ground zero, make it listen. Put your ear very well on a listen. Because this struggle, na struggle where all we don't put we face up front, we don't put we life up front, we don't risk we own life and we families. A lot of us. But if some certain people, they're there for this struggle, for destroy this struggle, I will make them clean and clear that me, Mola Wunja, as part inside of this struggle, I will never and never tolerate such stupidity that is going on in this struggle. All we don't accept the interim government as the voice of the people. We don't accept interim government like the lead every week. I be one opposition leader. Why not be like may they form a government? But later, after, even before they want catch Seseko, I become Katok say, okay, now good things, because you get to take time before you know why you want to enter something. However, there are a lot of people where they bring a lot of contradictions. These people that they behave like they want to hijack the whole Southern Cameroon. They want to hijack Ambazonia. This group of people, they are very, very, very wicked and greedy. Because if they not be wicked and greedy and selfish, therefore, the amount of people where they kill them every day for the entire region of Ambazonia. Last time we don't hear they killed 20 people travel for river for Menchum. We don't see they kill people for a corner, a man and a family. Today again they don't kill another boy. Life. This boy, then where the people they call themselves leader for diaspora, and they give una a very, very strong statement. If una not look out, me, Mola Wonja, and other few people, then when we don't decide, what we go do, it not go be fine. It not go fine. Reason. If we don't accept someone that want collaborate, because some people like Dr. Ayabacho, he get good mouth for talk, convincing people, good BB English, for make people make their head say yes, na man. But when it come for do the thing practically, it is when and so. It is when and so. Boy, but he go can't accept something small, he go write letter for resign. Una be very careful. Una be very, very careful. You know me say, some of we know the talk, we need to do things. You know me so we no fit do one. Una not play, una not try. John Ba Akoro, you in particular, una go form consortium. Consortium not be for you. Consortium be being at the platform where we start for Cameroon, where they be banner. Na Agbo Bala, Naloa, Patasan, Eyambe, Barrister Boga, na them begin that consortium. You don't come back because you want to be leader too. Una create another great consortium number 2. No, una be very, very careful. Una be careful. And all una want to do this thing. Una come on a northern zone. All una be try for suppress Sako, Chris Anu. All those guys and when they come out for the southern zone, una want press them. So that una hijack the system. Then una hijack southern zone. And they want every leader. Now me at the talk, and if here, at the one, you know me say with the talk we need see, we get we own group with the talk, make with the tell una. If una not adjust, then me I go announce say make Saudi zone people they decide their own fate because una own too much, una own too much, una own too much, una own too much. All the group there for Northern Zone, most of una, apart from few good people inside, and I think call their name. If this commenter is a good man, yeah, Akwanda is a very good guy, but the rest are there for personal interests. Una the make people look the Northern Zone like na bad people because of una bad behavior. Now me I talk, I need the fear. No man no go do me anything. Ayabacho, John Ba Akoro, and boy bet. Now me I tell una, if una no change, me, Mola Wonja, I will start talk, make Saudi zone, they take their own decision, fight for themselves. I support Eric Tato, when he talk for that county by county. Most stop the nonsense. When people come with good idea, they fight for down. They want to say me they join money, send them for people where they fight for down. Una say una divide them. May God punish una. Nonsense. Man see any ambassador where go take money, he give una again. That I go resign. Then I turn different. I turn a different person. Nonsense. Una must change. If una not change, una follow what all ambassador they talk. Then me. I go bring what they call and say division una na ever see am. Na me I talk. I don't tell una. Na me want to talk. If una no change, John Ba Akoro, you come out, you try for criticize. When I cause confusion, tapam de it dey like some person where they don't confuse the head. If they follow anything about talk, it go come bring confusion, bring confusion. Mark go come, he talk his own. Una bring confusion, jam ambassador at the head. Una stop the nonsense. If una not stop the nonsense, I repeat. Me, I go tell Saudi zone, make they fight for their own self. Una fight for their own. It no go be in a county, it go be a zone by zone. Now me I talk. This is not division. Then una must be very careful. You know me say southwest, southern zone, they be quiet. You know me say you don't know what dey happen. Anytime Southern Zone they want form any group, una go press am, crush am. Oh, they don't give them money. Una stop the nonsense. Una stop am. Una stop am. Una stop am. People they die. People their blood they over for we zone, for we areas. Both the Northern Zone and the Southern, una stop the nonsense. If una take for una personal interest, una leave the struggle. Una leave am. Una the one take over because Sako they come out Southern Zone. If na boy baby be there, I hope say oh una down una group, una for join, support it. Wicked people. Wicked. Now me I talk. Now won't you talk? Nonsense. I say nonsense. This struggle must continue and una must follow what the Amazonian people talk. Let what the Eric to talk. If una no green, me I go continue for preach. The preachment on my here. Now me I talk. Monjabua. The nonsense too much. Picking they need go school. People they bush, they sleep for rain. All kind of things they happen. Una they fight for money, they will gather money, make the help for down. So stupid fool say be doctor, go take money, go keep am for a house. Say don't put am for bank block am. Make God punish una. Idiot. Fellow Ambazonians, sorry for that, but these people are very wicked. I want everybody may know. If these people no change, me, I will start preach now, zone by zone now. Me, Unja. I don't tell now. God bless all man. Bye.